you. What are you doing?
Oh, yeah, I was walking.
Oh, damn it. Code blue, I repeat, code blue. Suspect armed and hostile. Alpha units stone wall. Alpha units stone wall.
Where is it? Where is it?
It won't help you.
Where is it?
No, you listen to me. Even if it does work, it won't help you. He'll make sure it won't.
Who?
Just look at what it's done to us. Look at what we've become. All this killing. Thought it would make everything better. Thought it was a blessing. But just look at this. Made everything worse. It's a curse.
Yeah, that's why I have to fix it. But just look at what you're doing.
No. No. I have to fix it.
for the others.
The Crosman 357. Actually, one of the last ones ever manufactured. That was, of course, before this new handgun technology. You remember. It was the perfect handgun before the handgun. Of course, these guns couldn't compete. It literally put self-defense in the hands of the layman. All that power in the hands of the layman. Better yet, it was accessible anywhere and anytime. But ironically, this still feels a little more permanent. You know why? Because power isn't permanent. It's a constant struggle. When you don't have power, it's a hopeless battle to gain power. When you have power, it's a hopeless battle to keep it. And look at you now. Powerless. Handguns are cheap power. My friend, everybody can't all have power. The American dream, the freedom to fight for power. Then handguns came along and took away that struggle. Where's the American dream now? You must be Aiden Chet, sir. It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Winston Schuler. Ah, I see you found my antidotes.
Quite a brilliant display of modern biotechnology. It targets only the handgun nanobots.
And squishes them. All in a matter of seconds.
Who are you? Who are you?
Aiden, does it even matter who I am? I am the American citizen. And as an American citizen, I want reform.
Then why won't you just put it out there? Why can't I just put it out there?
No. Aiden, you're missing the point. The cure? We can't just throw this out there to the world. It's a jungle out there. No. I'm trying to give back to my society. Aiden, this is my gift to the world. People aren't ready for the cure. People don't want the cure. What we need is a learning experience. And I'll give it to them. There's a storm coming, Mr. Chet, and when it gets here, chaos will rise. There will be times when the anarchy will be the only trace of humanity you have left. Times when streets become battlefields and children become warriors. There will be a time when the last good thing in your life will be the tears running dry down your cheeks, because the horrible wretches will be the last sign that you were once a human being, and a time when the gray lines running down your arm will finally prove to be empty. And then, when we all understand, not as a nation, but as individual people, God shed his grace on thee.
But you watch from above. All the prophets. You will come out on top.
Aiden, I told you. Does it really even matter who I am? No. I'm just starting the fire. And now, my friend, I'm afraid our time has ended. My friend, I hope you take pride in the fact that you will leave this world a better place than when you came through.
I guess I will.